Guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. It is about 12 o'clock. We woke up a little late, obviously. We just had breakfast, and today's schedule looks like I'm going to first go to grocery shopping. At Star Bazaar, we like doing our grocery shopping there, or rather, I like doing my grocery shopping there because I like it when everything is under one roof and I don't have to go separately to one shop to get vegetables and then another place to get grains. Anyways, so that is what's happening. After that, I have a pamper session at a salon. So, yes, follow me around. He looks so beautiful when he sleeps like this. Doesn't he look supremely cute when he sleeps? Like, just look at this face. So I'm all showered up and ready to go to Star Bazaar. And Jason is also getting ready because I cannot lift everything at one time because of my back issue. So yes, this is how we spend almost all of our Sundays. Jason hates going to Star Bazaar. It's like fucking 2 hours a day. And I'm like, you want to eat? We headed to Star Bazaar. So quick little OOTD today. This skirt is from Cooves. It's actually a very old skirt, so I don't know if this is still available. I got this from Sarojini. This was hauled in my Sarojini Nagar haul. The glasses I actually don't remember. I'm pretty sure they are from Bandra Hill Road. I don't have lens or I don't have a number. These are just because I found them cool. And yeah, that's the outfit for the day. Diva! Hi! What's up? Happy Sunday? Yes! So yeah, let go. This is honestly my favorite counter. I love getting fruits, all kinds, all sorts. I have actually given up on buying watermelons because I am very bad at choosing how a watermelon should be, like for me to know that it's ripe. So every time I buy it, everything inside is white. So yes, I'm not going to buy watermelon. But yeah, I've already got apples. I'm going to get some pear. That's expensive, but can't help it. Mama needs to have her fruits, so let's buy some. So I'm really trying to be healthy. Trying. So yeah, I'm going to try and take this chili garlic khakra. I love this. I fucking love this. And so they have this counter here which has like very awesome looking tandoori chicken. I got myself one. Can't wait to go home and eat. And yeah, that's kind of how my Star Bazaar experience is every week. Yeah, we do this every week. Every week.
Housekeeping department, Chawla Outlet pending for any Chawla housekeeping department. Please kindly contact the customer service immediately. Thank you.
So we are at Star Bazaar, or as he likes to call it, Bazaar. I don't know. This is just something that he's come up with today. So this is everything that we've got. He is very upset that he's got only one, which is his favorite flavor, and
Staff
two
announcement,
which are,
staff, please kindly contact to control service immediately. Thank you.
yeah, two which are my favorite flavors. So yes, we've just got a nice ripe papaya. We actually googled how to see if a papaya is ripe, right?
Right.
Yeah.
The more yellow, the better.
the more
Yellow,
yellow.
the riper.
Yeah. So yes, I really hope this papaya is really ripe. And we got some apples, bread, pineapple. I really like pineapple. He doesn't like it. And coriander, palak. Every week we have to have palak paneer because that's one of our favorite things to have.
Chicken.
And of course we got some tandoori chicken. This is our favorite counter. This is where they have cut fruits, pomegranate, pineapple, and juice. We just had some juice. And yeah, this is everything that we got. And now he's gonna stand in line for billing. I mean, like, you kind of have to weigh these things. So I'm gonna weigh these things and then we're gonna go check out. And he's the coolest guy in Star Bazaar and everyone's looking at him. So this is our cart, all full. And we are waiting in the waiting line. This is the most frustrating, boring part of this whole entire experience. You can see the look on his face.
Does this face look happy?
It looks very happy to me. Yeah, so people are buying groceries, which I think will feed a family of 10 right now. And yeah, this is for family of 2. How about that? How about that? So this is all the grocery bits that we've done. This is the beautiful face that looks very, very frustrated right
I'm
now.
actually a little bit more happy because we're about to go home.
Yeah,
Done.
we are kind of done. And this is the milk that I love having. The reason why we go all the way to Star Bazaar to do our grocery shopping, because I love this milk. I don't think any other milk kind of cuts it for me. So yeah. Yeah, this beautiful face right here.
And this beautiful face right here. You should have glasses by the way. Whoa! IQ suddenly goes up. IQ 10 points up at a time.
Oh my goodness. So yeah, we are going to go home now. I'm going to have some yummy food here and go for my much needed pamper session because mama needs it.
Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, you'll know once I get there.
But I'm not coming with you, right?
You'll know. Back home. This is what my lunch looks like today. I got this at Star Bazaar. Is what I ate or what I'm going to eat. This, I don't know why he's eating at lunchtime, but that's Jason. And yeah, after I eat this, I'm going to go to the salon. So now I am at the salon. This is the salon. So I'm going to get a facial and like maybe one other service done. So let's see how that goes. So I'm going to get my side locks waxed. This is the first time I'm using this is what?
स्ट्रिपलेस वैक्स
Stripless wax. अब बताना चाहेंगे कि इसमें कैसा क्या होता है?
ये ना इसमें स्ट्रिप यूज नहीं होता है, ये स्ट्रिपलेस होता है। ये सिर्फ लगाना है और खींचना है स्किन से। उसमें अच्छे से मतलब इनग्रोथ वगैरह होगा तो अच्छे से क्लीन होता है और ग्रोथ स्लो हो जाती है।
अच्छा, और ये सेंसिटिव एरिया फेस वगैरह के लिए
यस
अच्छा
सिर्फ
होता है?
सेंसिटिव एरियाज के लिए होता है।
अच्छा। ये लगाने के बाद वेट करना होता है।
ड्राई होने के लिए।
Okay. Can you see that? Okay, let's focus. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. It looks disgusting but very satisfying at the same time. So I'm next going to get Fruitalicious
फेशियल
facial. I'm not very experimental when it comes to facials and all. I usually just go for something very basic, regular. I'm a very basic as bitch like that. So yeah, आप बताइए कि उसमें क्या क्या आता है.
उसमें क्लींजिंग होगा, टोनिंग होगा, 10 मिनट का मसाज होगा, देन पैक.
कैसे टाइप का पैक होगा.
और मतलब द बॉडी केयर का ब्रांड हम लोग उसमें यूज़ करते हैं, वो वाइटनिंग का पैक होगा.
अच्छा. So I'm guessing she wants me to become white. I don't want to become white, but anyways, I am looking forward to this experience. So let's hope I become all fruitalicious and beautiful after this. Yeah, very bad lighting here, but this is now cleansing happening.
यस.
Yeah, sorry, my battery died at the salon, so I couldn't film any further. But this is what my face looks like after I got the facial and everything done. To give you a review of the stripless wax, I think it's a innovative concept. When she used it for my side locks, I kind of thought that, whoa, this is revolutionary. But if you actually see my skin closely, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but like I still see, like, I don't think that it has taken out all the hair. This might be a little TMI, but I just want to show it to you guys. Like, this has not done a very good job. I don't know if you guys can see it. Especially this side. So yeah, I'm not very satisfied with that. So I wouldn't want to go for it again. Normal wax, or like the Rika wax, which is like the chocolate wax, which they like calling it. I think that does a much better job, and it does really like kind of take out everything in one go, and it's really good. So yeah, that's kind of my experience with this stripless waxing. And thank you for coming along with me on this day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fun videos of my life, about fun stuff, you know the drill. And yes, until next time.